Sorry. Oh crap. Over on the right side. Oh, holy crap. BB's reflect. Nah, man, he's shooting the guys in the bunker there.
I can't even see it all.
Contact, contact. Got him. Smoke's in.
Hey, where's it at?
Right up, right straight ahead, 12 o'clock. I might have got him, I don't know. Oh, no, there's his head.
Right, I'm talking closer than that. There's one just on the other side of that barn.
You want me to go safety kill him?
Pretty good opportunity.
You sure he's there?
I saw somebody move up to there.
Hey, let me nab this guy. Clear. I got him. I got the guy on the left. What?
I'm about to drop the smoke. You're going to take this chance to move off.
Hey guys, cover this view while I reload. I got like 3 guys right up here.
Yeah. That's right.
What?
To the left of the silos?
They're all like right here. Saw one of them leaning out. So.
You got one on the far end.
We got a
silo,
guy on the left side.
the left side of the silo right here.
Yeah.
And then one on the fucking right side of the trail. You also got one right here that's just popping out. Damn, B.
Did I get hit?
I don't think so.
I just got hit.
We just got ricocheted. Where'd you get hit from?
I just got hit like right here.
You gotta get something good for that dual POV.
Yeah, man.
Go. Hey, Bill, I can make paper left there. I'm gonna go to that bunker. Right bunker.
I got him, I got him. You get him?
Yeah.
Oh! Oh, you son of... Look at him! Oh! Look at him!
Oh! Oh! Oh, snap! Oh, snap!
What?
The guy crawling, he's picking on him.
Nice.
Oh, look. You got one guy right next to you over there standing out right to the gun.
Wave to him, it might piss him off.
Alright, you know what? I think he's very bothered by your round. My round's so raw!
Did I get him?
How the hell is that my name?
Brush is too thick.
Yeah.
Actually, they
Guys
might.
over there.
He's hit. One of them's hit.
Yeah, he's it.
Next one's probably going to be hit pretty soon.
Yeah, he's a kid, so.
He's going to get owned, yeah.
What did that guy do? Yeah, move up. Go on, go right here, go right here.